Here we have the Elgin model 3408E. Now, this clock has 1.25" LCD display background with blue backlight on demand. There's something about blue that I like, and I like the blue backlight. Check that out. Displays indoor temperature, displays month and day, easy to set controls, nap timer up to 4 hours. I love nap timers. Ascending alarm, which I'm going to let you hear in a moment. This clock is actually pretty loud for a little guy. Let's hit that blue backlight again. Love it. Quality in Elgin.